You want that clean, retro scanline look? Perfect. Here's the fastest way to do it without losing your sanity. First, duplicate your image twice. Yes, twice. Then hide the top layer because it's not its time to shine yet. Let it marinate. Click on the second layer, hit motion blur and give it a nice swipe. Not too wild, just enough to stretch things out. Add a mask, grab your brush tool and start revealing one side of the image like you're erasing evidence. Smooth, controlled strokes. Bring back the top layer. Now repeat the same vibe. Add another motion blur, but switch up the blur value so it doesn't look copy-pasted. Mask it again and reveal the other side. Think yin and yang, but make it Photoshop. Happy with the blend? Cool. Time to smash it together with Command plus Shift plus E. This part is optional, but if you like, you can set your color to black and white before the next steps. Next stop, Filter Gallery. This is where the magic, and sometimes the chaos, lives. Choose Halftone pattern. Then set the pattern type to line. This is the backbone of that classic scanline texture. Add some grain because crispy pixels are the vibe. A little goes a long way. And there you go, the full scanline effect. Simple, spicy, and kind of addictive once you start using it.